Welcome back to our channel, where we are all about helping you thrive during your college journey. These 10 tips will surely help you conquer college life like a pro. Number 1. Attend orientation events. Participate in college orientation programs to familiarize yourself with the campus, facilities, and resources available to students. This will help you feel more at ease and prepared for the college experience. Number 2. Get organized. Establish a system to keep track of your class schedule, assignments, and deadlines. Use a planner or digital tools to manage your time effectively and avoid last-minute rushes. Number 3. Build study habits early. Develop effective study habits from the beginning. Set aside dedicated study time, minimize distractions, and take regular breaks to enhance focus and retention. Number 4. Engage with professors. Establish a good relationship with your professors by attending their class, asking questions, and actively participating in class discussions. Number 5. Get involved on campus. Join clubs, organizations, or volunteer groups that align with your interests and passions. Being part of a community will enrich your college experience and provide opportunities for personal growth. Number 6. Manage finances responsibly. Create a budget and stick to it. Be mindful of your spending, explore financial aid options, and look for part-time jobs or internships to gain practical experience and supplement your income. Number 7. Seek academic support. If you are struggling with coursework or need help understanding concepts, don't hesitate to seek academic assistance, such as tutoring services or study groups. Number 8. Take care of your well-being. College life can be stressful, so prioritize your physical and mental health. Practice self-care, get regular exercise, eat balanced meals, and seek support from counseling services if needed. Number 9. Balance academics and social life. While academics are crucial, remember to make time for socializing and forming connections with peers. Number 10. Explore career opportunities. Start thinking about your career aspirations early on. Attend career fairs, workshops, and networking events to gain insights into potential career paths and build professional connections. I hope these 10 tips give you value and help you thrive during your college journey. If you want to stay updated with more helpful content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. You can also connect with us on social media. Thanks for giving your valuable time.